In this video, I will show you how to create Steam account. To get started, open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to store.steampowered.com, which is the official website for Steam. Once you're on the website, if you come up to the top, next to the install button, you're going to see the sign in link here. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to the sign in screen. Now from here, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom where you're going to see the option to create an account. Click this button here. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. This way you can come to start to create your Steam account. So what you need to do here is enter an email address. Once you've done that, you want to confirm your current country of residence and then tick the box to complete the human verification. After doing this, scroll down and make sure to read through the Steam subscriber agreements. And once you've read through that, come down and tick the box here to confirm you are 13 years of age or older and you do agree to the terms of the subscriber agreement and the Valve privacy policy. After doing this, scroll down a bit further where you're going to find a blue continue button. Give that a click, and now it's going to ask you to verify your email. So what you need to do is actually log into your email. So this is what the email looks like. There's going to be a button to click to verify your email address. So click the link in the email. You can see it says email verified. And what you can then do is navigate back to this original tab here. So my email address is of course already associated with another Steam account, but at this point, once you've verified your email, you should be good to go and you can just finish the rest of the steps to complete your setup. And after doing that, you would have now created your Steam account. So that is how to create Steam account. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.